I have a quote, maybe my first one. Do not overcomplicate things which are obvious. Like, if there is a person, like, people overthink the easiest things and underestimate the most important one. Because you people out there, and I am also, I'm not a perfect person. Definitely. You and I underestimate the power of consistency. But we think too much in depth about what kind of perfect business or perfect sales script or perfect client, perfect, everything gotta be perfect. Otherwise, we are losers. If we are not making money in 6 months or 3 months from the people to which we reach out a month ago, if there is no one responding, then our sales script is shit. So, the thing is that you probably have heard a lot of times when people say ideal client, ideal sales script, ideal positioning, ideal this, ideal that. Forget that, bro. For you and I, if you are about the same age as I am, between the age of 25 and 13 years old, I'm 17 right now. If you are about the same age as I am, bro, forget the perfection. I'm not saying you to jump from one business to another business, trying to, and saying, I'm not trying to be perfect. That's why, let's move on. If you are able to do something better, and you are able to do, then do it. But do not try to overcomplicate things for yourself, because this is not gonna be something useful to you. And if it's not useful, then why you're overthinking? Just take one freaking business, stick to it for next 5 or 10 years, and guess what? In the end, you will make money. I freaking guarantee you. Because it's not my word, it's not my view, it's not my opinion. There is so many examples of people doing business for long period of time, and in the end they end up being the emperors of the market. You get it. I don't know a company which started 2 years ago and worth trillions of dollars, right? Apple was founded about 30 years ago, and it only right now the kind of company which you see it is.